Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Okta SSO application access to prevent lockouts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Okta Single Sign-On application access, begin by verifying the user's identity. Log into your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the People section from the main menu. Search for the user experiencing access issues by entering their name or email address. Select the user from the search results to open their profile. Scroll down to the Applications section within the user's profile. Locate the specific SSO application that the user cannot access. Click on the application name to open the application settings. Review the application status, ensure it is assigned to the user. If the application is not assigned, select Assign to add it to the user's access rights. Follow the prompts to complete the assignment process. If necessary, adjust the user's group memberships to ensure they have the required permissions. Once the application is assigned, inform the user to attempt logging in again. Monitor for any further lockout issues that may arise. If the problem persists, consider resetting the user's password. Navigate to the Security tab from the user's profile for password management. Select the option to reset the password and follow the on-screen instructions. After the reset, direct the user to check their email for the new password details. Encourage the user to log in using the new credentials on the SSO application. Verify successful access and confirm that the lockout issue has been resolved. Document the changes made for future reference and tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.